Gently settle into a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a slow, nourishing breath in. And exhale fully. Allow your body to soften and your mind to quiet. Bring your attention to this moment and the gentle possibility it holds. As you listen, open to the idea that small, beautiful changes are already finding their way to you. Breathe, relax, and let the feeling of welcome begin. Let's begin. Wonderful surprises move toward me with ease. My path opens to powerful, positive turns. Small wonders appear throughout my life. I welcome joyful miracles into my world today. My life naturally draws beautiful blessings every day. Unexpected good unfolds across every area of my life. Positive miracles surround me in this moment. My reality fills with meaningful, uplifting events. Amazing gifts arrive in gentle, surprising ways today. My journey is dotted with constant, quiet miracles. Daily blessings unfold around me without effort. I open my awareness to notice miracles today. My life reflects regular, extraordinary good. Lovely unfoldings happen across my path. My world greets new miracles each and every day. Good things move closer to me with each breath. I see and welcome miracles as they enter my life. My life expands through the small miracles I receive daily. I notice the steady stream of blessings moving my way. Rest in this feeling of welcome and possibility. Walk into your day with a quiet heart. Slowly return to the room, holding this sense of wonder. Know that miracles are on their way. When you're ready, open your eyes. Move forward with gratitude and gentle trust. Breathe in peace. Breathe out gratitude. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Thank you for listening. Carry this calm and openness with you throughout